Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung ating astrological reading for Taurus. Ayan. So, pag-uusapan natin yung solar eclipse, ano yung maaaring maging effect sa'yo. Pero, i-include natin dito yung Black Moon Lilith. Meron na kasi akong video na nagawa na na-upload dito sa channel din na ito. You might want to check it out. Effect ng new moon and full moon sa'yo, Taurus. So, ayan, tingnan mo na lang doon sa mga na-upload ko na ng video. So, yeah, be sure to check your sun sign, moon sign, and your rising sign. Dahil ito yung mga maaaring magbigay ng messages sa'yo. So, Taurus. Okay. Start na natin yung reading mo. Yung solar eclipse kasi nangyayari siya sa sign of Libra. Ngayon, maybe there's an ending of a secret relationship for some of you. And, by the way, solar eclipse to, pero yung effect nito pwedeng hanggang April 2025 ha. Tapos yung iba, pwedeng yung mga babanggitin ko is nangyari na or nasisimulan ng mangyari nitong mga nakaraang linggo or pwedeng iba mangyari pa lang. Okay, continue. Yung iba naman, if this is an ending of a secret relationship, pwedeng hindi siya mag-end ng maganda, okay? But this is like an event wherein may mga lesson kasi na itinuturo etong si Lilith sa mga Lilith women, which is yung mga taong rebellious or yung may mga secretive energy na ginagawa, especially when it comes to relationship or partnership. Okay, Taurus. Ito yung period wherein you will be more in authority. Some of you pwedeng may pag-iisip or pwedeng gawain na mismo yung pagbili ng house or maybe building a home or maybe yung iba naman sa inyo is pwedeng pag-renovate, pag-aayos or yun nga, paglilipat ng home. Okay? And there's some kind of gastos na gagawain dito, new gastos. But definitely, yung iba naman kasi sa inyo, maybe it has something to do with a new job or new career, no? Na pwedeng, kaya ako kailangan lumipat ng bahay, it is because para mas magbe-benefit dahil nagkaroon ako ng bagong career and ito yung mas magiging malapit doon sa aking career. So, pwedeng ganun, pwedeng may siya, may link kung bakit gagawain iyon. But, some of you, high chance din of a partnership or a relationship or taking actions pagdating sa love, pagdating sa beauty. Maybe for some of you, mas magiging attracted ka sa iyong partner, if you do have one. And, some of you, pwedeng bigyan mo ng limitasyon yung iyong partner or yung person that you really do love when it comes to maybe, when it comes to friends or group of people, pwedeng mabigyan mo siya ng limitasyon or ikaw ito na pwedeng bibigyan ng limitasyon with regards to this dahil unang-una sa lahat, pwedeng nagkaroon ng transformation or pagbabago with regards sa'yo. Yung iba pwedeng from single you become, married or in a relationship. So, there's a possibility na yung bagay with regards sa friends ay medyo kailangan na limitahan. Okay? Or yung pakikipag-communicate sa social media or pagdating sa dating app, yung iba, no? So, pwedeng isa din ito sa mga bagay na and dahil, because of another relationship sa buhay mo. And, high chance of marriage para sa iba. And, a lot of growth financially. Okay, use this time, especially with the Jupiter in your second house. So, a lot of growth financially, possession. So, especially kung ikaw ay woman, babae. So, of course, when you get married, magkakaroon ng growth sa'yo dyan. Bahay, tummy mo, di ba? Magkakaroon ng anak. So, yung iba naman might be pag-grow sa'yo as a person, no? Also, if you are someone na yung business mo is nasa social media, yeah, starting a business na may kinalaman sa social media, may kinalaman sa use of uh, cars, pwede rin, or your phone, magbe-benefit ka dyan. Okay? If you want to earn more, malaki din ang maitutulong nitong like maybe social media or ng phone or ng web para mas mag-increase yung knowledge mo, and there's a possibility of you earning more kung gagamitin mo talaga ito ng maayos. And yeah, a high chance of a lot of new beginnings na may kinalaman din sa web, like building your own website, page. Ayan, so napakaganda. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng from being you know, napunta sa office every day, pwedeng magiging mas connected ka na sa social media, or you will be more connected sa web dahil pwedeng mapunta ang iyong career or yung business sa home or sa online, you know. So, napakaganda nitong solar eclipse na ito sa'yo. And yeah, that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and please do comment down below. Maraming salamat po.